everyone. Welcome to my podcast, Product Mastery in the Age of AI and ChatGPT. Today's episode explores the dynamic intersection of artificial intelligence and human psychology. I'm your host, Madhumita Mantri, a product lead specializing in data and AI. Over the past decade, I've been fascinated by how understanding user behavior can dramatically enhance AI driven products. Let me start with a quick story to set the stage. Imagine you have just launched a cutting edge fitness app called FitLife. It is packed with the latest AI technology, offering personalized workout plans and nutrition advice. Initial downloads are off the charts, and everything seems a great success. But after 2 weeks, user engagement suddenly drops. People are not coming back, and you are wondering why your state of the art app isn't resonating. The issue isn't the technology, it's the psychology. Just like a beautifully designed cafe that fails because it doesn't connect with its customers. Even the most advanced AI product can fall short if it doesn't understand the humans using it. In today's episode, the episode name is The Psychology of AI Understanding User Behavior to Enhance Your Product. In this episode, I will explore how integrating psychological insights with AI can transform a product from merely functional to truly engaging. I will dive into a detailed hypothetical example with FitLife, illustrating how understanding user behavior can dramatically enhance your product. So, if you are a data scientist or UX designer or product manager, anyone who is eager to discover how to make your AI driven products genuinely resonating with users, then stay tuned. You're about to gain exclusive insights that aren't available anywhere else. So let's dive in. The first thing I would like to cover quickly is the hypothetical scenario I'm going to give a walkthrough. Let's imagine a fitness app called FitLife that offers personalized workout plans and nutrition advice. Despite advanced AI algorithm and a sleek interface, the app struggles with user engagement. Initial downloads are high, but user activity drops sharply after 2 weeks. So why isn't the app resonating with users despite we have an awesome technology? Well, the answer is psychology. Understanding users' motivations, fears, habits could be the key to boosting engagement. So, how FitLife could transform its user experience by integrating psychological insights with AI, enhancing user engagement and satisfaction. This is what I'm going to cover in the next setup section. So we'll start with analyzing the user journey. To tackle the engagement issue, the first step is to analyze the user journey in detail. This means mapping out every interaction from hearing about FitLife, downloading it, onboarding, daily use, to either becoming a loyal user or discontinuing use, which is churning from the app. Data might show that while users start enthusiastically, many drop off after 2 weeks. Surveys may not reveal much, with users citing generic reasons like getting busy, losing interest, etc. This is where the psychological models come into play. Using Charles Duhigg's habit loop, cue, routine, reward, we might find that Fit Life isn't effectively creating a habit. It may lack compelling cues, engaging routines, or satisfying rewards. The challenge is how can FitLife test this idea and implement solutions to create a more engaging experience? Now let's dive into merging AI with psychological principles. Step 1, enhance data collection and analysis. So, how does the data collection look like? Gather not just usage stats, but also emotional cues. Use sentiment analysis in feedback mechanisms and monitor social media. Now let's talk about AI application here. We can use natural language processing to analyze the text for emotional tone and content. Second step is to identify the psychological triggers. Now, this is where we can, after collecting the data, we can analyze the data and we can use AI algorithms to find patterns in user behavior and emotions. Step 3, personalization through machine learning. Machine learning models. So we can implement algorithms that adapt to each user's behavior and preferences in real time. Then we can develop personalization, offer customized workout plans, and motivational messages tailored to each user's psychological profile. Next step, establishing the habit loop. So, Q, send personalized reminders at optimal times based on user patterns. Reward, give immediate positive feedback like virtual badges or social recognition within the app's community to enhance the dopamine effect. Step 5 is the last step in this section for merging AI with psychological principle, that is continuous testing and iteration. So A/B testing comes into a big play here. Experiment with different approaches and measure effectiveness. AI feedback loop, let AI learn from user interactions to continually refine strategies. By integrating these steps, FitLife could create a more engaging and psychologically tuned user experience. Now, let's dive into a hypothetical user journey in this case because it's very important to understand a user journey and merge with the psychological principles and the psychological behavior and insights, and combining it with AI, we can drive a better user and engaging, better user experience and engaging user experience. So let's see how these changes might affect a user named Sarah. The changes that I just talked about, incorporating the psychological principle with AI. Day one, once you implement this, day one onboarding. Initial interaction, Sarah comes, downloads Fit Life after seeing an ad about personalized fitness journey. Enhance onboarding, the app asks about her goals, preferences, and concerns. Now comes into play AI and psychological principle or the psychology. NLP, natural language processing, analyzes her response, finding she values community support and is motivated by social recognition. That's the day one onboarding. Now, day three, customized workout plan. So, first thing comes into picture is personalization. FitLife offers a beginner friendly workout plan with social elements like group challenges. Adaptive difficulty, the app adjusts workout intensity based on the user feedback and the performance. Now comes the part psychological engagement. So, which which is what, like when AI introduces her to a community of users with similar goals, leveraging social proof. Now, day 7, maintaining the motivation, because a lot of people churn from the app because they are no longer motivated or staying strong to continue the journey of workout, which is very hard. So that's when the AI can look at missed activity. Sarah skips a scheduled workout consistently. Then the AI intervenes, uses predictive analytics, detect potential disengagement. Now, this is where the psychological strategy comes into play, where the app could send a personalized message offering encouragement and a simpler alternative, tapping into loss aversion by reminding her of her progress. Now, day 14, we need to reinforce the habits. So this is where the milestone achievement comes into play. Sarah completes 2 weeks of consistent workouts. So we will introduce a reward mechanism. The app rewards her a virtual badge and personalized congratulations. Now, this is where the psychological reinforcement we can incorporate. That's where AI can use a positive reinforcement to strengthen her commitment. Now, day 21, enhancing the engagement. Social sharing. Fitness invites Zara to share her achievements on social media for extra rewards. Community recognition highlights her progress with apps community, fulfilling her desire for social acknowledgement. Now, AI adaptation come into play, which uh, which is where the AI will update her workout plan with new challenges to keep her engaged. So through this tailored experience, Sarah becomes more engaged and motivated, transforming from a casual user into a loyal advocate for fit life. And all these could be possible with AI algorithms and application. And of course, combining with user behavior, user journey, and the psychological reinforcement. Now, let's dive into projected impact and metrics. Implementing these strategies that we just talked about could significantly improve FitLife's key metrics. So, one needs to closely monitor those metrics to make sure we are on track and continue to measure the impact. That will give a good understanding of how the app is working and what continuous improvement we could make to improve the product and make it more engaging and stay engaged all throughout. So first metric and impact is increase engagement. User engagement might arise by 45% within 2 months due to personalized content and timely interventions. Improve retention. Reinforcing the habit loop could boost retention rates by 30% over a quarter. Higher referral rates, satisfied users like Sarah might lead to a 25% increase in referrals through social sharing and community involvement. Boosted revenue, enhanced engagement could result in a 20% increase in in-app purchases and subscriptions. Beyond numbers, users would feel the app genuinely understands and supports their fitness journey. This approach combines AI's analytical power with psychological understanding to create a more fulfilling experience. Now let's dive into ethical consideration. While these strategies are promising, ethical considerations are crucial, especially when it comes to AI. The first thing is data privacy. Ensure all user data is collected transparently and stored securely. Users should control their data and have opt out options. transparency, clearly communicate how user data is used to enhance their experience, building trust. Avoiding manipulation, aim to motivate users positively without manipulating them. Focus on user well being, avoid exploiting vulnerabilities. Bias and fairness, regularly audit AI models to prevent and correct biases that could unfairly affect user experience. By following ethical guidelines, FitLife would not only enhance engagement but also build a trustworthy brand. Now, let's talk about scaling and future opportunities. Beyond this hypothetical scenario, integrating AI and psychology offers opportunities across industries. Let's talk about e commerce. Personalizing shopping experiences based on behavior and psychology could boost conversion rates. Education technology, adaptive learning platforms could tailor content to individual needs, improving outcomes. Mental health apps combining AI with psychological insights could offer more effective support. Now, let's talk about future advancements, might include wearable technology integration, using data from wearables for real time feedback and personalized recommendations will be very impactful. Emotional AI, that's a big thing, developing algorithms that detect and respond to user emotions, offering support whenever needed. Augmented reality experience, creating immersive environments that adapt to user behavior and preferences, such as Facebook or Meta is investing in Horizon, which is going to be the future advancement in the space and very exciting. So, these possibilities highlight the potential for products that intelligently and ethically combine AI with psychological understanding. Today, we have explored how the hypothetical fitness app FitLife could enhance user engagement by integrating psychological principles with AI. The key takeaways are understanding users deeply. Psychological insights reveal motivations and barriers impacting engagement. Personalization is crucial. AI enables real time adaptation to individual behaviors and preferences. Ethics matter. Transparency and ethical use of data build trust and long term success. Broad applicability. These strategies can be adapted across industries to enhance user experience. I hope this deep dive provided valuable insights and sparked ideas for your own products. Thank you for joining me on Product Mastery in the age of AI and ChatGPT. If you found this episode insightful, please subscribe to my channels, leave a review, share it with your network. Let's keep the conversation going. Follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, where I share updates on the evolving landscape of AI and psychology. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring the frontiers of AI. See you then.